Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Stumble Guys game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And now from the homepage, tap on the search button, and then you can type in Stumble Guys and begin your search. Once you find the Stumble Guys game, just tap on it, and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the game on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed. And once you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game on your device. And now you can sign up or log in to start enjoying the Stumble Guys game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Stumble Guys game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.